Good morning, students. Welcome back in CIT online class. I am Mithun Sarkar, your online teacher, and I always come with these types of educational video related to your subject. So stay with your teacher. Student, today we are going to start our new chapters from here to there. Chapter 11, subject EVS. Okay, and today we are going to discuss some common question. Get the knowledge about different modes of transport. It is related to our chapters train from English book. Okay, then animals that also help us in transportation, because we know that different animals also help us in transportation. Okay, so let's start. Student, I write here first question: how many modes of transport? Modes means different means of transport. That means transport runs on which place? That means land, air, and water. Okay. Then write three examples for each modes. We will make a chart here and then write three transport name, vehicles name for each of the mode. Okay. Okay. So we can write here. There are, note down with me, three modes of transport. I will show some picture here. Please, when you write, you can very easily identify with the picture. Okay, so there are three modes of transport. Then we can write at first land. Okay, number one, land transport. We can write bus. I will write only three. Okay, but you can write more. This is only for your example. Then car, 3. Number 2, we can write air. This is different mood. Aeroplane, then helicopter. Mainly this aeroplane and helicopter are used, but we can write also rocket. This is used for scientific purpose. Then number 3, we can write another one is water. When you discuss English chapter, you also know that. Okay, we can write ship, then steamer, then boat. But another more example you can write in the comment box. You can write. Okay. So this is our first question. How many modes of transport? चलो थोड़ा सा इसको हिंदी में समझा देते हैं. ट्रांसपोर्ट का कितना मोड होता है? ट्रांसपोर्ट का 3 मोड होता है, 3 मोड होता है. ठीक है. राइट 3 एग्जाम्पल, एक एक करके 3 एग्जाम्पल लिखना है. तो लैंड में हम लोग लिखा बस, ट्रेन, कार. एयर में लिखा एरोप्लेन, हेलीकॉप्टर, रॉकेट. वाटर में लिखा शिप, स्टीमर, बोट. ओके, चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, note down with me. Write some animals, that means this part. Write some animals that also helps us in transportation. Transportation means transport system. Okay. So you can write very easily. You also know that bullock carts, then horse carts, then donkey, then camel. These are animals also help us in transportation. So we can write like this: some animals that also help us in transportation are bullock. बुलक्स को हम लोग ऑक्स भी लिखते हैं। ये बुलक कार्ट चलाते हैं, तो इसको पिक्चर देख के समझ लो। देन हॉर्स कार्ट चलाने में इस्तेमाल होता है। देन कैमेल डिजर्ट जो एरिया है वहां पे ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है। देन we can write donkey also used in different transport purpose. Okay, so it is our question number 2. note down this one also. चलो इसको हिंदी में समझाते हैं। कुछ एनिमल्स का नाम लिखो जो हमारा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में हेल्प करते हैं। ठीक है, तो इसका मैंने क्या लिखा है, बुलॉक और ऑक्स, दैट मीन्स यूज फॉर बुलॉक कार्ट। Then horse used for horse cart. Okay. Then camel also used in desert area, and donkey also used. It is donkey also used to carry our clothes, then different luggages. Okay. Note down this 2 on. We have another one important question. The question is related to some special vehicles that are used for a special and emergency purpose. Okay. Okay, students, I hope you note down the question number 1. So I will drop question number 1 and then write the question number 3. Okay, and don't worry if you can't note down with me. You can off this again and write your note properly. Okay, question number 3. Note down, write some special vehicles that are used for a special and emergency purpose. Student, we know that different types of transport that are designed that means transport design is different and it is used for emergency and different purpose. Okay, chalo, let's write the answer. Some special vehicles that are, and always write the answer from question. It is very good habit. But if you got the question in short number, that means 1 mark, you can write direct. Vehicles that are used for emergency purpose are, number 1, we can write ambulance. It is very important. It is used for patient. You know that जब कोई बीमार हो जाता है तो एम्बुलेंस का जरूरत होता है, क्योंकि हॉस्पिटल में, नर्सिंग होम पे लेके जाने के लिए और वापस भी लेके आने के लिए इमरजेंसी में एम्बुलेंस यूज होता है. इसका डिजाइन भी थोड़ा अलग है. एम्बुलेंस लिखा रहता है, बॉडी में मैक्सिमम व्हाइट कलर होता है. देन फायर ब्रिगेड ट्रक, fire. Okay, students, I hope you note down this one. I need this space, so I will rub. Fire brigade truck. It is used for, but I write here only for, that it is short form for put of fire. तुम्हें मालूम ही है, जब कोई जगह पे आग लग जाता है तो फायर ब्रिगेड का ट्रक आता है. वो देखने में भी थोड़ा अलग होता है, ठीक है. उसका साथ में पानी रहता है. वो पुट ऑफ फायर, आग को निभाने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. देन नंबर 3, वी कैन राइट पुलिस जीप. ये भी थोड़ा अलग होता है. ओके, इट इज यूज्ड फॉर इमरजेंसी ड्यूटी. क्योंकि कोई जगह पे प्रॉब्लम होता है, कोई जगह पे जाना होता है तो पुलिस जीप इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इट इज इमरजेंसी ड्यूटी में आता है. ओके, देन नंबर 4, वी कैन राइट मेल वैन. यूज्ड फॉर डिलीवर्ड मेल, or we can write letter. Okay, mail van is something different. We also know that mail van color is red and mail, then letter, then post office, ये सब लिखा रहता है, ठीक है. तो it is also different. You can write another more vehicles name here and what is used for this. Okay, you can write, but this is 4 I will write here for your example. Note down this one. I will give you some time. Note down properly. And when you write, students, I always suggest you remember properly and read all of the spelling, because the spelling is very important when you write the answer. एंड राइट साइड में जो पिक्चर भी मैंने दिया साथ साथ में, उसको भी देख देख के आइडेंटिफाई करो। दिस इज एम्बुलेंस, दिस इज फायर ब्रिगेड ट्रक, दिस इज पुलिस जीप, मेल वैन। तो बाद में तुम्हें अच्छी तरह से याद रहेगा ये इसको ये कहते हैं, ये गाड़ी को ये ट्रांसपोर्ट को, ये व्हीकल्स को ये कहते हैं। ठीक है, ओके ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप you very carefully, okay, and this class is very helpful for your study. Okay, so if you want to this types of class regularly, okay, you can like, you can share this channel, this video with your friends, and if you are new, you can subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you all of you.